Okay, welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to be talking about hemp oil health effects. So we're going to be looking at what is CBD oil, and also we're going to be comparing it to medical marijuana. Can you get high? Can you get addicted? You know, what are some of the concerns that you might have, and what are some of the benefits that you might get from it? And we're also going to be looking at the anti-inflammatory, anti-pain aspect of CBD oils. Also, how does it affect anxiety levels in you? And if you've got some spasms going on or seizures, heaven forbid, you know, can it impact those sort of things? And then we're going to close it off with probably one of the biggest questions that we ever get about CBD oil, which is, how much should I take? And we've got some really good advice for you there.
I would like to open up with saying that a medical disclaimer, really. We are not doctors. We're not diagnosing anything. We're only discussing functional issues, like when you sneeze or when you have a headache or whatever it is. We're not telling you that we're going to prevent this or mitigate this in any way other than at the functional level, which means that we're able to help you reduce the inflammatory effects, which are the consequences of an illness. We're not going to fix your illness. We're going to support your immune system and your nervous system to function correctly, which on its own just evolves into a less painful, more free, more empowered lifestyle that you're going to have. But the reason why this takes, let me say it this way. You would eat an apple because you enjoy the benefits of the apple. I'm not legally allowed to tell you that the malic acid inside of the apple is actually helping to dissolve the gallstones in your liver. Or in your gallbladder, for that matter. Your doctor should be able to tell you that. Or you can read it in a lecture somewhere which explains what malic acid does for you. So I can only tell you, eat an apple, it's good for you. So I'm here to tell you, take some CBD. It has some positive effects.
And thank you for that, Martin. And we're going to see you in the next lecture when we're going to talk a little bit about CBD oil in more detail.